Just as there is a clear distinction between creation of beings and the Lord's, they're entirely different and incomparable. The same applies to addressing and speaking. The word of Almighty God is never similar to that of His servants. The word of Allah is based on the knowledge of Allah. Allah's knowledge is complete, never lacking. God is not someone who learns new things in the following days and times. Since He created all, He has knowledge of all. This is already reasonable. As the creator of everything, He knows everything. Doesn't the Creator know what He creates? Thus there is no existence of the Creator of everything acquiring knowledge at a later time. Thus Allah's speech is flawless, unique, and unparalleled, reflecting His perfect knowledge. However, the servant's words reflect their limited, incomplete, and insufficient knowledge due to their constraints. Because we, as humans, are beings who learn day by day. We learn new things every day. We are not omniscient, but have limited knowledge. Hence, we constantly update and renew our words. We observe the deficiencies and errors, constantly modify our concepts, and are on a continuous journey of acquiring knowledge from start to finish, from birth to death. In this respect, the things we say and write do not resemble or even come close to the way or manner of Almighty God, the unique, flawless, and cannot be imitated by others of the Almighty God. A place without any flaws, without any contradictions. It is a book without any contradictions, and it is measured by this aspect, which is also a side that the reader can see that it is an event like that. Looks, examines, takes precautions, and then says it's a flawless book. They've also examined the jinns and said so. Share with me the details of what was revealed. Some of the jinns have indeed heard and carefully listened to it. Afterwards they conveyed, we have encountered a remarkably unusual Quran that has left us completely bewildered and fascinated. Rank is ablaze, she is sending, conveying the truth. We also believe in him. Therefore what he conveyed is the truth. He told the truth. Undoubtedly this Quran provides guidance towards what is most suitable and delivers glad tidings to the believers who engage in righteous deeds, assuring them of a magnificent reward that awaits them in the hereafter. Servant says, if not from Allah, I'd find many disputes. If with someone else, they'd find much difference.